Hey folks, David York here at the York Way. We just finished doing the 30K service on this Indian Roadmaster. This customer's on his way to pick up the bike, so I'm gonna grab the camera and we'll do our walk and talk around this bike and tell you what we did to get this bike ready to go. All right, 2017 Indian Roadmaster in this beautiful, unique willow green and cream paint scheme. This customer's got a few customized additions to this bike. 28,800 miles on this Indian Roadmaster. So this customer asked us to service it like it's a 30K service, which we obliged. He's a fan of the Metzeler Cruise Tech tires, so we replaced his tires with Metzeler Cruise Techs, and we had not replaced these tires before. So as is often the case, they come to us with a bunch of wheel weights on them, and we end up cleaning off all the wheel weights, cleaning off all the wheel weight residue. I think this front tire had 2¼ ounces of weights on it when we got it, and it's going out of here with 3/4 ounce. That's pretty typical for the way we change tires here, where we will break the tire off, static balance the wheel, clean off all the old wheel weights and residue. We're going to find the heavy spot and line up our tire light spot mark with that heavy spot mark on the tire on the wheel, and it's going to help us balance out the tire and wheel with a lot less weight. So that was the same thing with the rear tire and wheel on this bike. It had a couple of ounces of weight on it, and it's going out of here with a ½ ounce of weight on the rear wheel. So like I said, pretty typical for the way we balance wheels and tires. His front brakes were good shape. We've done the brakes on this bike at a previous service. The front forks were also serviced by us last year, I believe. So those are in great shape. New spark plugs, new air filter, oil filter changed. All the controls taken off, cleaned, lubricated, side stand removed, shift linkage removed, cleaned, lubricated, greased, reinstalled. Tested the brake fluid. Brake fluid needed to be replaced, so we took care of that. Army veteran here. Always proud to take care of our veterans. We check the TPMS sensors. We test those, make sure the batteries are good. We test the fob battery, make sure it's good. Replace that stuff if it needs to be replaced. Like I said, the brake fluid needed to be replaced. Something else I like to do is all the takeoff parts. I like to show them to the customers that like to see them. And so that's what we're looking at right here. Air filter. We had to do new wheel bearings in the rear wheel. There's the old spark plugs, and those black pieces are the master cylinder reservoir, brake reservoir seals. And on this era of Indians pre-2018, they will do just what you see right there, where the seals lose their shape. And once they do that, then air and moisture will get in there and cause the brake fluid to fail sooner. So we replaced those seals. The battery got replaced, not due to age, but it was not testing good. So put a tester on it, let the tester tell you if it's good or not. And that one was just starting to get weak. It was going to leave him stranded somewhere soon. So the belt gets retensioned and aligned when we change the rear tire, adjusted the clutch lever. We check all the lighting, headlights, tail lights, turn signals, make sure all of that stuff works before the bike leaves here. And this customer asked us to service the gear shift indicator sensor. which is back behind this panel. So all of this has to come off so we can get that sensor out, clean it, reinstall it. So we make sure the gear shift indicator functions like it's supposed to. Took her out for a road test. She rides and runs good. And there you go. This bike is ready for pickup. 2017 Indian Roadmaster in Willow Green and Cream. 28,800 miles. 30K service. And remember, got to bring your Indian motorcycle to the York way to have it serviced the way it was meant to be.